Calvin Jones with the Park Tool Company.
And I'm Truman Purdy with the Park Tool Company. And this is the BRK-1, the Big Rolling Kit, a curated assortment of tools.
Curated for the mobile professional, people doing raised support, people who want to be prepared for anything. It's part of our Big Kit series. We have the Master Kit, the MK, the Basic Master Kit, the BMK, but the BRK rolling. It's to be mobile for the person on the go.
Before getting into talking about all the tools, let's get into talking about the box.
This box is built and designed with durability in mind. The impact-resistant polypropylene exterior is great for travel. The dust and water-resistant seal of the box ensure that it will keep your tools safe, as we all know races and events don't always come with ideal weather.
The interior unfolds to provide a mobile workshop, giving you access to the tools you need, which are held by a versatile system of pockets and straps. Throw it in the back of the van, truck, plane, or UTV and get on with the work at hand.
What the work at hand needs is the tools inside, and that's what we have for you. Again, selected for you. It's not every single possible tool poured in. That's clutter, that's getting in the way. We've selected them. We have some certain groups here and some duplication and some redundancies.
We do. Hex wrenches. There's a lot of hex fittings on a lot of different bikes. So we have our T-handles with the spinners on them, super efficient. Our L wrenches, the bits, you can use those with the torque wrenches. 3-ways, ergonomic, very quick to use.
Combination wrenches, not every single one you're just carrying around, never using, as a backup and adjustable. Pliers of all sorts are in the kit. And room to grow. That's an important thing. New tools are coming out, some extra parts, some housing and cables, some things in there you might want. So you want that.
Good example of that, bottom bracket tools. We gave you the most common bottom bracket tools that are out there, but there's a ton of bottom bracket tools out there. So we left room for you to add those to the box. So
if you're that type of person in the parking lot and people are looking for, this kit's for you.
Yeah, that super parent. This BRK-1 is the one that you are looking for.